Hey, what's up guys? I'm Ross, your mattress expert from realmattressreviews.com. Today I'm excited to show you guys my brand new showroom here in Minnesota. So today I'm setting up platform beds to display all the most popular online brands here in my showroom. So what we're going to do right now on the last platform is I'm just going to show you guys how to assemble this Zinus platform base. So as you can see, they're really kind of sleek looking, really nice. It's metal with wood slats. And they go together better than pretty much any platform I've ever really had to put together. It comes with everything you need, all the tools. It even has a little wrench instead of just having an Allen wrench, which ends up hurting your fingers. So I put together 9 of these already today. So I'm gonna be able to do this a little bit faster than the average person. But first of all, they come packaged up. I'm gonna get everything opened up first and laid out into the position where the pieces should be. There is really good directions with this as well. But I'll just go ahead and show you guys real quick how to put one of these together. And then at the end, I'm gonna talk to you guys about what I think is so great about these bases, especially for the price. They're very inexpensive and they're gonna be very durable. And it's gonna be a really good alternative to purchasing a regular bed frame and a box spring in addition to your mattress. So it's something that could work for a lot of you. So I'll go ahead real quick and get it all laid out. As always, before we get started, we understand how stressful mattress shopping can be. So after this review, if you're still interested in more, click over to realmattressreviews.com where you can find hundreds of other great reviews and click on the coupons tab to find the best mattress deals available online. Alright, let's get this review started. Alright guys, so the thing you're going to want to do is get everything unpackaged right in the box. It kind of looks a little daunting, but once you open everything up, it's a lot easier to envision how this thing goes together. So you've got your screws and your wrench, and then essentially each part is numbered. So you've got a 1 here, a 1 here, 4, 4, 4, 4. So it's really easy once everything's laid out. So what I've been doing is putting together the headboard first. So I've got all my pieces there. So I'll go ahead and get that done. We'll speed that up a little bit so you don't have to watch the whole thing. And then we'll stand that headboard up, attach the side rails and the center support, and then lay the slats on top. So I'll go ahead and get started. The other really nice thing is how everything's packaged. So you've got the nice wrench that's really easy to use, but all the washers and everything already come on the screws as well. I've put together a ton of other platform beds when I had my mattress store and did a lot of the deliveries myself. And a lot of times the packaging comes with everything all separated, and your package with all the bolts and everything is huge because you've got to put all the washers on each screw and everything too. So this really does help speed up the process with everything already done for you in that regard. So now that we have the headboard up and one rail on, the foot rail you have to assemble and put the legs on. So again, you have the 8 here, you've got an 8 here, slide right in, throw the bolts on. Alright guys, so once the frame and everything's put together, you can see it was relatively quick. It took a little bit of time. It'd be a little easier with certain parts of it to have 2 people to hold stuff up. But as you can see, pretty easy to do even by yourself. So the next step is to lay the slats out, and they come in 2 sections, which we'll show you in a second. There's Velcro on this top part here and Velcro on the slats. So when you put those into place, they stay nice and snug where they're supposed to be. I really like that design. A lot of other platforms I've done have had a screw hole on each side, on each corner, to help hold those slats into place. Instead of having that Velcro, which is really nice, they've got a little strip of padded tape on here that the slats will rest on so that you're not going to hear any kind of noise if the slats are hitting that metal. So everything stays nice and snug. So I'll put them on, and then there's one other feature we'll talk about with the slats as well. So as you can see, they go into place really easily, nice and snug. The other nice thing is on each set of slats, you've got a strip of double-sided tape, and that is designed to keep your mattress nice and snug in place once you place the mattress on the platform. All right guys, so the overall quality of these platforms is really high. This is the metal, just kind of basic, modern looking platform bed. It goes together pretty simple, as you can see. I really like their slat system, the Velcro that holds them into place, the anti-slip tape on there. They've really thought of everything, and as I mentioned, as you're putting it together, just little things like the screws already having the washers on them and everything. You don't see that with every brand, so that's something that, especially for me putting together 10 of these now today, it really helped speed up the process of getting these things together. They've got other, a whole bunch of different platforms you can pick from. I chose this because of the modern look and the price. So they are under $200 for a queen, which is a solid price. You can click the link down in the description and head over to the review page for this platform. And any available coupons that are over there you can find to help yourself save a little bit of money if you decide to buy any of their platform beds. And stay tuned, I've got a few of their mattresses that I'll be reviewing very soon as well. So I'm really excited to dive into a few of those because they have very competitive prices. Cheaper prices than you'll find with a lot of online mattresses. So it'll be interesting to see how they stack up. So if you have any questions at all, drop me a message below. Otherwise, head to realmattressreviews.com for tons of other great reviews and any coupons if you decide to try this or any of the other mattresses that I've reviewed. All right, guys, thanks for watching.